I'm a government employee at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and this is my daily routine. As a government employee in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, my daily routine is quite busy. Here is a simple description of what I do on a typical day. I wake up early in the morning and get ready for work. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and put on my work clothes. Then I have breakfast and head to the office. At the office, I greet my colleagues and check my email. I respond to any urgent messages and prioritize my tasks for the day. I make a list of things that I need to do and start working on them. Sometimes I attend meetings with other government officials. During these meetings, we discuss important issues related to foreign affairs. We share information, exchange ideas, and make decisions about how to address certain problems. Additionally, I spend a lot of time writing reports and memos. These documents are used to communicate with other government officials and to provide information to the public. I write about current events, foreign policy, and other topics related to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. In addition to writing, I also spend time reading. I read newspapers, magazines, and other sources of information to stay up to date on current events. I also read reports and briefings from other government agencies and international organizations. Throughout the day, I use a variety of tools to help me do my job. I use computers to write reports and send emails. I use phones to take calls and send messages. I use printers to print out documents and maps. At the end of the day, I review my tasks and make sure that everything is completed. I say goodbye to my colleagues and head home. Once I'm home, I relax and spend time with my family. That's a simple description of my daily routine as a government employee in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. It's a busy job, but it's also very rewarding. I enjoy helping to shape foreign policy and promote the interests of my country. I also enjoy teaching you more than 50 verbs that I added to this daily routine so you can learn, benefit, and use in your daily communication. Thank you very much. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.